What's up, everybody? All you scrappers and copper lovers, brass lovers, meat lovers. Ooh, pizza sounds good right now. Anyway, I'm walking out of work the other day and I see this piece of equipment that's in the dumpster. So of course I grab it. It's got some white float tube things, so it must be just air conditioning or something, I don't know, but you can see it's got this real nice piece of brass in here. There's more inside. There's some copper windings in there. So I figured I'd just work on taking this thing apart tonight. Be a quick little project. See what we can get out of here. Okay, that was easy. There we go. I think I stripped that out. It's really weird. Oh, because there's freaking nuts on the back. No wonder. Like turning and nothing's happening. There's nuts on the bottom side. Freaking nuts. You gotta be nuts. Oh yeah. Alright. Nuts and bolts. Oh, that was a good cheer when we were in high school. Nuts. You say that to the referee. Nuts and bolts, we got screwed. Good times. Oh, this. I about had it with the wire harness here. So. Flat screwdriver. Son of a gun. Brass looking thingy. Okay, first piece of brass. Just a tiny piece. No biggie. It's the fun thing about scrapping, and I say that jokingly, but there's always like one screw that totally makes you lose your mind. Okay, so this little piece is off. Just going to be some tiny bits of copper in there. Not sure what this is, not a lot. I have to take a hammer to that. See if it's even worth getting out of there. Well, it doesn't stick, so that's probably brass. Time for this sucker. That didn't even do it. I need to get some gloves on or I am going to smash my finger, and that is going to be an ugly scene. Ooh, sucker went flying. Alright, got the other piece out of there. More brass. I'll tell you what. Let's take off this big hog. Put some gloves on. Don't want to ruin my hand modeling career. Isotoner's been very good to me. Nice little bit. I'll turn on the scale, see how much this is. I bet it's probably not even a half pound, but we'll see. Man, I'm right on it. 0.435 pounds. Just under a half pound. Okay, so let's take this cover off here. Plastic cover, garbage, and that keeps spinning for eternity. Yeah. Dirty. Why you gotta be that way? Plastic. Got this thing. I'm going to say that's brass. Yep. This washer, maybe. Tiny little washer. Yep, that's brass. And then, got to get this. Boy, this is definitely like brass. Heck yeah. Goes in water. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this thing, I might micro scrap this thing real quick. Tiny pieces, but more in here too. I might go hammer time on this. Oh, shoot. That'll hit me right in my money maker. Right in the face. Jeez. A little tiny little piece of copper there. And yippee-ki-yay, got some silver contacts in here. This one is not, but that one is. And my understanding is it's typically 40% silver. It's not like solid or anything, but better than nothing. Of course, you need 1,000 of them. A little more hammer time. Ooh. bang that out of there, get this piece. There's just a tiny bit of copper on here, but most of that is brass. You have to break this up. Ow! Oh, great. The only thing that's not on the top of this is what I was trying to get. Oh, here it is. Here it is. There's a silver contact on the back. Looks like it's kind of fried, but whatever. Let's get this copper out of here now. It's not going to be a lot of copper in here, which is fine. The fact that I was just walking by a dumpster at work and saw it, everything I get out of here is free. It's stuff that I can either take in for scrap or melt at some point. This rubber gasket has to come off somehow. Grab this by the nose hairs. Ooh. There we go. Now I need to be able to get this off somehow. Well, come on. Just a stupid washer. Jeez. Okay. Getting into cussing territory now. Now, was that so hard? Just to cooperate? Just come off. There you go. I'll tell you what, more times than not, a sledgehammer gets me out of binds. Not only does it feel good, it's effective. I hate these kind of little washer things. They go like 3/4 of the way around and they're stuck in there somehow. I don't know. Get those stupid things out of there. Just like that. Jeez. Okay, so now we're down to this motor. How in the heck do you get this thing off? Let's see. See, all of these spots in here are crimped in to keep this from coming off. Same with this end. Well, it's coming out. Just did some banging. It's coming out the bottom. I'm telling you, sledgehammers are the way to go. All right. Sledgehammer to the rescue. So, got that out. This feels like cast aluminum. Yeah. This is definitely cast aluminum. Oh man. They're going to make me cut this thing out of here, aren't they? Well, if I must, I must increase your bust. I can't remember what movie that was in. Okay, hang on to your kibbles and bits. Oh, I broke it, mother. I dropped my saw on the ground and look what I do. What a dork. Okay. Can't tell if those are rubber bands or if they're strings. Looks like strings, I guess. Okay. I'm just going to cut right through here. Pull it out, be done with it. Definitely helps. Gotta straighten this out. I'll hit myself in the face. There we go. There we go. Sucker's playing hardball. I'm Babe Ruth. Mofo. All right, number 2. All right, so left with this, just some steel. So from that little freebie, got this wire. I'll cut the ends off. Those are typically brass. That's aluminum back here. A few bits and pieces of brass and copper, and this, and that. So, not not bad for something free. This will fry up in a heartbeat, but this is going into my my brass bin. All right, that's all I had. Just wanted to do a little quickie here. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you later. And thanks for watching.